Hey everyone, so I thought I would do a hotel room tour. I'm on vacation right now. We went to Savannah, Georgia and Tybee Island, and now we're in Hilton Head for a night. So I'm staying in a Holiday Inn on Hilton Head Island in South Carolina, and I thought this hotel room was so nice. Oh my gosh, so nice in here. So yeah, just an overview. I like to watch hotel room tours. And there's that. And this opens up to a fridge. Really nice drawers and coffee maker. We don't have an oceanfront view, but that's the view we have. There's the beds. Holiday Inns are my favorite hotels to stay at. And then the bathroom. I don't want to step into the mirror because I look awful. But yeah. So just on a little vacation. And here's my room tour. Thank you guys for watching.